Hey guys, it's Jen. I know I am a complete and total mess right now. I've got paint on my hands. I'm sure my makeup does not look awesome today. My hair's a mess. I got stuff on my shirt, but I could not wait. I had to get this done right now because I was so excited. This just showed up today. So, little backstory. This was supposed to be here on Monday, and then I got an email on Monday that said it wasn't going to be here until Wednesday. But it is Tuesday, and it came today, and my heart just is like elated. And you're probably all wondering what I'm talking about. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in this little box that I have not opened yet is my little mini Revolution Beauty haul. This is from Revolution Beauty itself. And this box contains not one, but two amazing palettes that are just released from everybody's favorite beauty vlogger, anyway, Emily Noel. Oh my gosh, guys, seriously, if you don't know who Emily Eddington is from Emily Noel 86 or 83, 86 or 83, one or the other, I'll link it. Anyway, if you don't know who she is and you're a beauty person, you are kind of living under a rock, and you need to go pause this video right this second and go and check her out because she is absolutely amazing. Everybody that watches her channel just absolutely loves her. We can't help it. She's bright and bubbly, and she's got this effervescence about her. She is she's just a great role model for, you know, women in general. She's had a career, she has children, she's a wife, she's a mom, she's a beauty blogger. She's just amazing. So anyway, she has collabed with Revolution Beauty to create two amazing palettes, and I am so thrilled to the gills that I got my hand on these. You guys have no idea. I'm giddy. This is like Christmas. So we are going to open these little puppies up, and we are going to unbox them, and we are going to get a first impressions along with a couple other things that I ordered off the site too. So we're just gonna have a little mini haul. And so yeah, so if you like beauty hauls, you love Emily Noel like I do, then stick around. If you don't like either of those things, it's absolutely fine. We will catch you in the next video. I love you, and I'll see you later. Anyway, without further ado, oh my gosh, I'm starting to like Rachel Loves now. Anyway, yeah, here we go, guys. All right, here we go. There's something about that sound, isn't there? All right, so here's my packing list. And oh, it comes very nicely wrapped. I've never ordered anything from Revolution Beauty, but check this out. Isn't that neat? That beautiful gold paper. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, holy moly, all the things. Okay, so it has come very well packaged. It's in bubble wrap, which will be going to my children, making them very happy today, I'm sure. Okay, so before I dive into the palettes, I'll show you what else I grabbed. These are the new Revolution Beauty makeup, what is this, the Fast Base Stick Foundation. And this is in the shade F4. I have no idea if this is my shade. They have so many shades, which is a good thing. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, it's like, hey, Revolution Beauty, we see you with that shade range, yo. But it's really hard to tell what your exact shade match is going to be. So this, I don't know, it might be a little too dark for me, but we'll see. I'm going to play around with that later on. And this is the concealer that everybody is talking about that has replaced the Tarte Shape Tape as the favorite in the beauty community. Yep, this is the concealer. This is the Conceal and Define, and I got C5. So, and the stuff is sticking to me, so I wanted to check out this concealer real quick. It's got that huge doe foot like Tarte Shape Tape does. And this may be a little, I don't know, it might be a little dark. I may have gone dark, I don't know. Anyway, be watching for video. I'm going to play with these and do a first impressions with these later on. But first, let's dive into what you are all here for, ladies and gentlemen. Emily Edit 2018. It looks like Christmas! Ah! I can't believe I'm opening these right now. Seriously, guys, I want to cry because I'm just so unbelievably overjoyed for Emily. I don't even know where to start. Let's start with the needs. Oh, guys, I can't believe that I'm holding this right now. I'm getting a little bit emotional right now because I can't think of anybody who really deserves this more than she does, because she's just so amazing and such an inspiration to so many of us. So, Emily, we love you. So this is a beautiful pink cardboard box, and the plastic has one of those little holes in it that you can poke in sometimes. Come on, come on, come on. I only have like 15 minutes on my card. Come on. Thank you. All right, here we go. Let's open this puppy up. Oh, the cardboard is so smooth. I'm savoring this. I've only bought one other YouTube collab in my life, and that was Graveyard Girl and Tart, and I wasn't even quite that giddy when I opened that. I don't know why. I don't know why this one was so much more important to me than that, but it is. Oh, this palette. My gosh. Okay, so this palette is so pretty. This is my color, guys. My favorite color, pink. And it's this beautiful, really kind of it's really sturdy plastic. I've got other Revolution palettes in my world, and I don't know that I don't feel like they're quite as sturdy as these. It's got a good weight to it. It's not like over heavy, but it's definitely got a good weight to it. And here they are, guys. Here are the beautiful colors. I'm trying not to blind yourself. There you go. See my dirty clothes over there? Yeah, I'm filming in the bathroom. So this just looks so beautiful. We have a contour color, we have a blush color, and we have a highlight color. And then we have a kind of like a setting powder. I don't know why I was drawn to that, but I am. And then we have 6 eyeshadow shades. So the fun thing about this palette is, I'm going to cover this up so that I'm not blinding everybody. Okay, there we go. The cool thing about this palette that I was really, really drawn to is that all of these shades come from other Makeup Revolution palettes. She said that these come from different face palettes. These come from the Shade and Light palette. I don't think it's called the Shade and Light palette, but anyway. And then these two come from the Neutrals versus Neutrals palette, which I own the original Neutrals versus Neutrals palettes, and I can attest to these two colors being amazing. So one of the ones, I'm not going to swatch all of these yet. I'm going to get into a really in-depth review video later on, probably in about a week, and in that one I will have all the swatches for you. But I am just drawn to this one right here, Gratitude. This little highlight right here, is that pretty? Is that pretty? I feel like it's a really subtle highlight, which I know she loves. She loves subtle highlights, so it really suits her. So I'm super excited to use this. So I'm actually going to use both of these for the week. I'm going to use these exclusively. I'm not going to use any other face or eye products as far as eyeshadows or face powders go. I'm just going to use these all week, and then I'm going to come back. I'm going to give you guys a full, complete review. So yeah, this is the Once. And I'm sorry, no, that one was the Needs, not the Once. This is the Once. Oh my gosh, guys, this is just so, again, I can't believe that I'm even holding this in my little hands. When she was telling us the names of all these colors in her video, I'll link her video down below as well. The things that really got me were that she named eyeshadow colors the way that I would choose to name eyeshadow colors. She has a eyeshadow color named after her husband, or named for her husband, in honor of her husband, and she has 2 named after her daughters. You know, and as I've dreamed about making my own palette, you know, and like I'm sure everybody who does beauty videos does, and you know, for me it was the same thing. You know, my first palette is going to be all named after my husband and my children. So, you know. All right, so here is the Once. The Once is the same style of packaging as the Needs. It's the same plastic, same quality, same sturdiness. It's just a little larger. So here are the Once. I have legit never seen an eye palette this beautiful. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna cover the mirror up here. The mirror, by the way, guys, is ginormous. Look at that. Look at that mirror. Look at my dirty bathroom, guys. I'm showing you all my dirty laundry. Don't hold it against me, okay? Real life, people. All right, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 times 4 is 24? 24 shades? Did I get that right? I think there's 24 shades. These are all different. I mean, there are no two shades that look similar to me in here. All right, so she's talked about all of these shades again in her video. I'm not going to go into too much detail on those, but I'm going to swatch just a few to kind of see what they feel like. I've just been obsessed with trying to figure out about Eve Rose and Belle Violet because these are the two she named after her kids. And oh my gosh, they are so pretty. They're so pretty. I really expected Eve Rose, I don't know if you can see that or not on my hand, but I really expected Eve Rose to be more rosy, and it's actually more of a peachy color, which I'm not mad at all. I really like that. And Belle Violet has a little bit of a shift to it, which I really, really enjoy. Let's see. I'm going to swatch Dark and Early because blacks, Dark and Early is this black shade right there. I'm going to give that a little swatch because blacks are really hard to do. Oh my gosh, guys. Whoa, that is rich. I don't know. Yeah, I know. Finger swatches. Whatever. Whatever. All right, I'm going to do one more. Let's do one more matte. Let's do Laugh Cry. Let's do Laugh Cry. Laugh Cry is this kind of peachy pinky one right there. Okay, so we're going to swatch Laugh Cry right there. And oh, heavens to Betsy. Guys, I am so super stoked to have these. You have no idea. I can't get over it. I just can't get over it. You know, Emily, I know you're never ever going to see this video, but if you do, I just want you to know just how unbelievably over the moon we are for you. And when I say we, I think I'm speaking for not just myself, but, you know, the whole beauty community. All of us smaller YouTubers, especially out there that, you know, have 100, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, you know, under 100,000 subscribers, we all love you because we know how much you support us as smaller channels. And so I'm already getting these palettes dirty. I'm going to have to wipe them off again. But not only that, but Emily is the most genuine YouTuber that I've ever seen. She is insanely just genuine and loving, and you can feel the love coming off of her. You can feel her joy. You can just feel all the amazing things about her. Her reviews are spot on. Her reviews are 100% honest. She doesn't give you any fluff. She doesn't go and do the large corporate events. She doesn't do the large corporate sponsorships. You know, she doesn't do like the branding that all the, you know, millions and millions of YouTube followers, beauty gurus do. And I think to me that just speaks for her as keeping it real, you know, keeping it real, keeping it, you know, and I'm saying they're not ethical, but she's kept it ethical. She's kept it out of the drama. She's kept out of the craziness. She's just Emily. And you see that every single time she gets in front of the camera. And so, Emily, I just want to tell you thank you so much for everything that you've done for the beauty community. We are so excited for you. These palettes, I cannot wait to use this. I cannot wait to use the wants. I cannot wait to use the needs. I'm just over the moon excited for you. I think this is one of the best things in my life, and opening these for me was as exciting as if I was opening my own creations. And so, yeah, Emily, I can't wait to play with these, and I'm just so happy for you. I'm so happy for your success. it's like my best friend, you know, it's like my best friend got 2 palettes, and I'm like, it's so cool. I'm just so excited. So yeah, so anyway, from the bottom of my heart, Emily, if you ever see this, I want you to know that I love you, and I want to thank you for being such a huge inspiration in my life, not just in other YouTubers, but from me in my life. You've been a huge inspiration to me. You've been a huge blessing to me, and I thank God for you. And I just pray that God blesses you from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. I pray that, you know, the provision keeps coming. I pray that the blessings keep rolling in. And I pray that everything that you wish for comes true, because you have earned it. You've worked really hard, and you've been an inspiration. You haven't lost your faith. You haven't gone off the deep end. And so I just want to say, Emily, you are amazing, and you're such a blessing to this community, and you are so loved and so appreciated. So yeah, so that's it. That's my gushiness. All right. All right. Thank you guys so much. If you like this video, do consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you didn't, that's okay. I still love you. And if you haven't already liked to, you can go ahead and subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss any videos. If you have not been able to get your hands on these, I know they're out of stock at Ulta. They're out of stock at Ulta.com. I don't know how many Ultas still have them in stock. These are still available on Revolution Beauty and Revolution Beauty UK. They're available on those sites as of this moment. Right now, as I'm filming this, these are still available. So if you want them, you can snag them there. And yeah, so today is Tuesday. So coming up next Tuesday, I will give you a full review on these palettes. So be watching for that, and I will see you guys next time. And remember, you are created in the image of a loving God who thinks you are absolutely fabulous and beautiful just the way you are. I love you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.